Ever pondered how that dash of pepper on your cherished dish could be a secret weapon against common health problems? Well, it's time to unveil the remarkable health benefits of this everyday spice. Firstly, red pepper functions as more than just a taste booster. It's loaded with a compound called capsaicin, a potent antioxidant that helps the body ward off damaging free radicals, diminishing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Next, pepper holds a surprising secret. It aids in digestion. A dash of black pepper in your meal stimulates the stomach to secrete hydrochloric acid, which helps break down food more effectively. This not only helps you absorb nutrients better, but also reduces symptoms such as bloating and indigestion. Ever had a persistent cough that just wouldn't go away? Black pepper comes to the rescue. Its natural expectorant properties can help break down mucus and phlegm deposits in the respiratory system, providing relief from coughs and colds. And let's not forget about weight loss. Black pepper could play a role in your weight loss journey. The outer layer of the peppercorn stimulates the breakdown of fat cells, keeping you fit and your metabolism active. Black pepper also aids in skin health. It's rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, which can help fight against skin infections and wrinkles. A pinch of black pepper in your diet could give you that glow you've always wanted. To sum up, black pepper, a common ingredient in kitchens worldwide, is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's an antioxidant champion, digestion aid, cold and cough remedy, fat buster, and a friend to your skin. So the next time you reach for that pepper shaker, remember, you're doing your health a favor. Add a little spice to your life, and your body will thank you for it.